So it's been an extremely difficult race that started very bad, and it wasn't great sport at all. Unfortunately for him, he got T-bone in turn 1, and we lost a lot of time. It was a big crash. The bike was very, very damaged. But fair play, the team did an amazing job to fix the bike in record time.
The team did a great job, organised themselves, got the bike repaired really fast in the pits, and the bike was really reliable, absolutely perfect. We had no issues on the bike. Also my teammates and myself, we were fast all the race. I think we were a lot of time as fast or faster than the guys who were leading the race. We've got a good package, shows that with performance we can win races.
We showed our race spirit, nobody gave up, and we kept going. Unfortunately, I crashed with 2 hours to go on some oil and hit the fence, hit the wall, so it was quite painful, but lucky not to have any big injuries. We fought hard, we did our best, and it's important points for the championship.
Now the luck wasn't on our side this time. It has been for the last 2 years here, and it doesn't have any luck. We were leading the championship last year, now they're leading the championship. We had the pressure, they've got the pressure this time, so as far as the next race, you count on us to be there.